Are you looking for a workplace experience platform that unifies communication, desk booking, and visitor management, all while keeping employees engaged? So, whether you're managing a hybrid office, a hospital, or a retail space, Appspace simplifies it all. So, Appspace is a cloud based workplace experience platform trusted by Fortune 500 companies. It helps you streamline operations with tools for digital signage, room reservations, employee applications, and visitor management, all in one place. So, what sets AppSpace apart is its flexibility. You can customize it for any industry, automate daily workflows, and integrate it with tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and IoT devices. Whether you need to reduce desk shortages, improve internal communication, or enhance visitor experiences, AppSpace scales with your needs. So, in this video, we'll walk you through setting up your AppSpace account, managing users and devices, creating content for digital signage, and leveraging automation tools. By the end, you'll know how to use AppSpace to build a connected, efficient workplace. First things first, head over to appspace.com and then you should be able to see in here their website. So as you can see, it's trusted by over 2,500 organizations worldwide. So from in there, click onto this try for free option. Now it will provide you to the sign up page. So just create an account, use your company email, and then just input your details. And then it should be able to send you an email that helps you verify your account. So I've already set up or I've already created an account. And this is what it looks like into the actual onboarding page. It will ask you to choose your company branding. You can choose in here the accent of that. For example, I'll choose something like purple, and then you can just upload right here your brand logo. So once you're done, click onto this finish, and then it should be able to set up your own cloud space domain with its own console based onto your actual brand that you have created. It should be able to show us our dashboard, so just wait for this to successfully load. So here are the things on the app space. So when you head over it here to this part, you can see in here our left sidebar. We have our dashboard, which is this case. We also have a library, posts, communication, and under that we have channels, spaces, audiences, broadcast. Under the workplace, we have devices, users, locations, reservations, services, visitors, and under the admin, we have analytics, integrations, setting, and system. So let's hide this for now and using here this startup guide. Let's create our first card. Click onto this let's go, or you can also just go to the messaging part and you can choose in here the particular card that you want. We have in here messaging, workplace cards, as well as communications, and everything that you want for this case. For this space, I'll just choose in here the workplace and I'll choose in here the schedule board. Now it should be able to show you a free view of what that will look like. You can change right here the layout. So as of right now, the layout is schedule. And in here, you can choose in here the actual header title. So since you're actually using in here a schedule board, you need to connect a calendar provider. I'll just connect the app space one and then just enter the room ID in order to actually find rooms based on that. So in here, you can also change the design as well as your header background, background color, logo, and the likes, and also change or configure some things like schedule interval, block size, room mapping, pagination, and the likes. So since we have already created our first card, it's now checked right here. Now let's create our first channel. Click on the this let's go option and then enter in here the name for the channel that you would want. For example, let's make this meeting channel. and click onto this create. Once you have done that, it should be able to show you up right here your channel, and you can edit it in order to add or upload a content and publish that according to your liking. Let's click onto this add option right here, and you can choose in here a content that you want to add for that. I'll add in here this particular visitor kiosk card. Click on save, and it should be able to be added into the channel that we have created just seconds ago. Now that we're done creating our first channel, let's now register a device. Click on the this Let's Go option right there. It's also under this devices option. And then from in there, just input right here the registration code available on the device that you have. So if you're wondering how to do it, just head over and then download the Appspace app into your actual device, then enter the registration code in here, type the name as well as location, and click on this register right here in order to register that particular device. So Appspace also offers a lot more to this case. We have in here under the content the posts, and you can create posts based on this in order to get your Appspace app buzzing. So click on the this create option, and then from in there just input right here what you want to share. So for example, let's put in here meeting at 11 a.m. later. You can choose where to post it, and from in there, once you're done, just head over and click on post. You can also select or upload the file as well as media. You can also choose in here the settings and choose in here the spaces, tags, as well as if you want to schedule it, and choose in here when you want to post it as well. Now we also have in here other things. We also have in here the audiences. Under the audiences, you can help get publishers target the right group of users. Click onto this create and input right here this. So for example, let's put in here HR. Let's put in here the description and choose in here the location. You can choose in here the access. I'll choose in here restricted, and you can also type and add groups right here, the people that can actually access this. Once you're done, click onto the save option, and it will be able to be added right here into your audience. And you can just build an audience from users. You can just choose in here a rule base as well if you would want. Now we also have in here the broadcast. So this broadcast right here allow us to create a broadcast, and then it will be available for everyone onto the app space. Click on the this create, choosing here a content for the particular broadcast, enter the title for that, and also enter right here the message, priority for that. You can select targets, configure schedule, and summary for that as well. So as you have noticed, AppSpace has a lot of things that you can actually use and take advantage of. So thank you so much for joining us in this AppSpace tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. You can subscribe for more tutorials on workplace tech. If you have any questions about AppSpace pricing or features, drop them in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching.